Setting up your Fire TV stick. Unboxing your device. Welcome to your Fire TV. In this video, we unbox the Fire TV stick and share how to connect it to your TV or home media system. In the box are 6 items: a Fire TV stick, an Alexa voice remote, a set of batteries, a micro USB cable, a USB power adapter, and an HDMI extender cable. The Fire TV stick is the smaller of the 2 devices in the box, roughly 5 inches long. It has a smooth surface and an HDMI output on one end. The Alexa voice remote is the other, and has buttons on the front and a rounded back with a sliding panel to open the battery compartment. To put the batteries in the remote, press the indentation on the back of the remote and slide the panel open. 2 AAA batteries are included. Insert the batteries into the Alexa voice remote with their flat ends toward the small spring at one end of the battery compartment. Then replace the battery cover. The micro USB cable connects to the USB power adapter on one end and to the small socket on the side of the Fire TV stick on the other end. Once the micro USB cable is connected to both, the USB power adapter needs to be plugged into the wall. The HDMI extender cable is included to extend your Fire TV stick if it doesn't fit properly into your TV or media system. It's the shorter of the 2 cables. The Fire TV stick goes into the extender, then the extender goes into your TV or media system. To start using your Fire TV stick, connect it to an HDMI input on your TV or media system. Ensure the power adapter is plugged in and connected to the Fire TV stick via the micro USB cable. For more how-to videos and information about accessibility, visit amazon.com/accessibility.